Okay, so for our final drawing, let's see how you like this one. He's very tricky, but if you really like him, you'll be able to do him. He has a big belly, so I'm going to make a big oval for his belly. And he has a big backward C for his shield that's around his head. So it's like a big mountain that overlaps his body. His tail starts up at his back, comes down, 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 and then it starts at his belly and comes over and connects like that. Now for his head, I'm going to put another big oval going this way, diagonal. His body's horizontal, his tail's diagonal, his big shield is a big mountain like C, and now his head is going to be like a beak. It's going to be this big oval egg shape, and when I come down the oval, I'm going to curve it and come back up like a little hook. That's his beak. Then he has a mouth, comes over, and a chin that comes up behind his little thing and makes a shape like that. Then he has kind of small eyes. And another one on this side of his head. Then he has a deep, let's see, I think I might change his mouth. But first, let's give him his big horns. One, like an arc upside down or a U. Two, and then add this long, pointy triangle shapes. And one starts on the left side, goes up, then go to the right side and join it like that. Then you can erase those lines that it's overlapping, it's on top of. I think I'm going to fix his mouth by maybe adding a little bit of a lip on there. And I'm going to fix his mouth differently. There's his beak. I'll just connect it. And then I keep forgetting to tell you, they all have a little oval for where they can breathe. Now he needs his third horn, so I'm going to make a little backward C. Then put a line that goes up and another line that goes up. And erase that line so it's overlapping his beak-shaped face. Can you see okay? Make things darker. There's his head. Okay, now for his legs. Start in his body and make kind of a backward C shape. Then start under his neck and make it a wide leg, nice and big. Then 1, 2, 3 arcs and his little toenails. Then he has another one underneath his neck. Actually, this one it comes out underneath his head. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. He has another one over here. 4. Then he has another back leg. It's kind of way over here, which is very unusual. And this leg comes up in his body, way by his tail. Comes down, make it nice and wide. It's under his belly. 1, 2, 3, and then add his toes on. His fourth one is back there. Okay, now I'm ready to erase those lines. He looks like a little cartoon Triceratops. This one's under his, no, this one's up in his body. I'll make this line. This is his belly line right there. Okay, and there's Triceratops. Put in your horizon line. Jump over your Triceratops all the way over to the other side. Now it shows where the ground meets the sky. Have fun making Triceratops. Here, I'll outline him so you can see him better. If you want to stay on the video longer, you can watch him get outlined. I wonder which one is your favorite dinosaur. You can make them look fierce, or you can make them look happy. However you want their face to look. When you're doing your tracing with your black marker, go very slowly. Be patient, because your artwork is going to look like you are very patient. Sometimes if you go too fast, it looks kind of sloppy. So take your time and have fun. Then for our next videos, for our next art week, if you have some tempera paints, or if you have watercolors, we're going to make a great big painting. In art class, we use such big paper. It's called 18 inches by 24 inches. Okay, there is Triceratops. Woo.